Hello, my real estate friends. I am so glad to be here with you. We are going to cover some February marketing ideas. You can use this in your real estate business, or if you're a small business owner, you could definitely use this. These are going to be some really cost-effective, affordable ways to really just brand yourself for the month of February with some really cool ideas. You can use this for pop-by strategies. You could use it for your open house strategies and maybe kind of make it like a little Valentine sort of theme for the month of February. Keep things kind of fun. With the pop-bys, I love, honestly, if I'm doing pop-pies for the pop-pies, I always think pop-pies chicken. Anyway. If I'm doing pop-bys for the month, I always do like a few extra, right? And so if I have listing appointments or if I'm going to meet buyers for showings or a listing appointment, whatnot, I always bring a pop-by that I have for that month. I bring it with me and I always give it to them, whoever it is I'm meeting. So definitely always try to make a couple extra. If you are kind of skipping pop-bys, maybe you have an extra couple of open houses this month, whatever the case is, I'm going to share some really cool ideas with you. So I'm excited to get going in it. Let me share my screen and we're going to get right into it. Essentially everything that we are going to cover today that we're going to go through is over on my website. So I'm just going to kind of pop this in and I'll be sure to link the website link below so that you can see it and all the good things there. But this is it. So over here on my website, everything is clickable right here. So really super easy stuff, but a couple of these I want to walk through them with you. So for open houses, new clients, again, like your listing appointments, you're going to meet a buyer for the first time, bring one of these gifts with you. If just make a couple of extras so you have them on hand to bring. But I saw this and I was like, how cute would this be for an open house? And it's all Dollar Tree stuff. So let me show you the reel really quick. And again, if you go to the website, you're going to be able to, let me go to the actual video. Here it is right here. So you can see a big screen. All of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree, but how cute would this be for, like, if you're doing an open house in February? Stop it. I just love it. So you get the little dollar boxes. How many does she have there? She has 12. So that's $12. All right, cool. And then you get the two little slat pieces there. Some spray paint. I love spray painting. And then the little kissing booth sign. You get that for like $1. I think it's $1.25 now at the Dollar Tree. She hung some little string lights, put some ribbon and some hearts on there. Fun dip. How cute would this be for an open house? How fun is that? Your clients, your seller clients would appreciate it. And then it's definitely going to help your house stand out in the month of February if that's what you got going on. Let's look at another one. So this one I thought was super cute, not necessarily for just like pop-bys, but if you have any buyer clients or seller clients in the month of February, this is a little DIY kind of thing. But it's like making like a candy bouquet and it's super affordable. But here's the thing, and I'm going to be honest with you. I think I've shared this before. Some of my least expensive pop-bys and little marketing things, my clients loved the most. Like, it's insane. I could spend $100 on something. Like, during Christmas times, I like to do the little fancy wreaths and stuff. They're like $100. They like it. Of course. They love that. I mean, who doesn't? But it's like these little things like this, like they absolutely just think it's the best thing. So, and it's, affordable. If you've got some time or even got some kids or a hubby or wife, get them in there to help you out. If you're a lender and you do something like this for your real estate agents, come on, or an attorney, a closing attorney, they would love that. It's just fun. It's worth the theme, and it's just different. This is another one that I thought was super cute that I wanted to point out to you and show you. Now she has like names for her children, but you don't have to do that, right? For our business, you could just make like this little mini like candy thing. All this is from the Dollar Tree. So this like divider thing's like $1.25. You can get a lot of that bulk candy at Sam's and stuff. And then tie cute ribbon around it with your business card or your pop-by tag. We're going to go through some pop-by tags in just a second, but I just think that is so fun, so adorable. It's cost effective. Now, obviously, these are items that you can't mail. Okay. So these would be for real, like you're popping by for real, dropping them off or giving them out on your next appointment. Um, I hope my volume wasn't down that whole time. Okay, no, we're good. I had to take an intermission, make sure the microphone was on. Anywho, I'm definitely going to leave the link to the website below in the video so that you can come here, click all the little stuff if you want to click on it to see those videos again. It's all there for you. Just some really cool ideas. I'm going to skip this one for just a sec. Let's talk about really quick Popeye strategies that can be used more towards like our hashtag holidays for the month of February. I love hashtag holidays. It's a great way, a great reason to kind of show up online, do a little social media post, but also you can use it for Popeye strategies. So this one, February 11th, is Peppermint Patty Day. So of course you could get a pack of the peppermint patties, tie the little tag on there that says your referrals are the highest compliment I can receive. So that's all done for you there. And then the links to everything, of course, are just below. So anything that you're interested in that you want to take a look at, like this is a 16 pack for $11.99. It's like 75 cents a bag. Not bad. They're really pretty. They're kind of like a plastic clear, but a high clear. So I just think they're super cute. Obviously, they're small, but I mean, your peppermint York patties are not going to be super big. Like these are 11 ounces. So, and they're actually in the shape of hearts. So those are super cute. But in any case, so it ends up being about $1 an ounce. So in any case, that is that. And then there's even some green bubble mailers to go with the theme of things. So if you notice on here, I have sort of like a little kind of like I've restructured this a little bit, but I've got a little tag on here that shows if you can send it via email, if it's flat mail packaging, whatever the case is. And so what I typically do, if I can't go and drive to every single one of my clients, I will just mail them. And typically if I can get it flat enough and to fit in like a 4x8 mailer, which is what these are 4x8 bubble mailers. The shipping is about $6 per address. So I will do that. But in any case, I just think they are, it's just a way to show up, and depending on your budget and your strategy for pop buys and marketing, however you want to work that, definitely do, but don't feel obligated to do this every single month by any means. I just provide some ideas every month for you. But in any case, so obviously February 14th is Valentine's Day, little tag there. I'm available to help you find the perfect match, new home, call me. So that is all there for you. Of course, all these are clickable links. The Happy Mail stickers, I love these stickers. My clients know when they get something in the mail that has the Happy Mail sticker, they're like, oh yeah, Melissa sent us something. So they know what's up. But yeah, they're super fun. They're $10. You get 500 of them. And it take a little minute to get through all those, but they're just fun. But and then February 20th is a National Muffin Day. So National Muffin Day, no matter how the muffin crumbles, you are the best part of my business. Happy National Muffin Day. So you could get a little box of these blueberry muffins. Oops, wrong link there. Uh-oh. Yep, wrong link. So I need to update that. Let me make myself a note or I will forget. So not pen. Of course, a pen doesn't write, right? So muffin link. All right. Because if I don't write it down, I'll forget. So anyway, but cute blue bags, little frosted bags there. You get 100 pack for $35. So it ends up being about 35 cents a bag. But you can use those over and over. Just some fun, inexpensive kind of ways you could do it. So here's the deal. If you like these any of these pop by tags, I have them in my Etsy shop. You get all three. You get all three tags. Okay. So all three tags, and you also get social media posts to match them so that you can use them to post. on social media day for whatever day it is. So you get all three and they are $5. Okay, so not too bad, right? And you just go in there, add your branding using Canva, all of it. You can use the free version of Canva, add your branding, print it, cut it, and tie it, and you are done, good to go. Now here's the thing: if depending on when you're watching this, okay, if you're kind of last minute and it's mid-February and you're like, well, shoot, I'm not doing anything for February this year because I haven't gotten anything planned. Um, Check out this Valentine planner and activity guide that I created just for you. Okay, this thing's super cool. It's super fun. But here's the deal. I've created it for you where you could add your branding. Okay, super quick and easy using Canva, all for free. And you convert it to a PDF, and then boom, you go and you email it to everybody in your database. Okay, it could be February 10th, it doesn't matter, right? So just send it out. You pay how much is it? $12. $12. Okay, $12. You send it to everybody in your database. You've done your pop by for the month of February. And it's really as simple as that. But essentially what it is it's a little over 50 pages. But let me tell you something, there's some cool stuff in here. So, and you keep a copy for yourself, right? And your kids and your family and all your honey buns and people you got, and then send a copy to your clients. There's a Valentine decoration planner. There's a gift list with a gift idea page. There's a meal planner. So if you want to do something special for Valentine's, like a little meal, there's even some menu ideas and shopping lists, things like that. But the most fun part is the Valentine games and activities. Y'all, there's some cool ones in here. So these are like infographics of what some of the stuff looks like, the design and everything. I just think is so much fun. The activity advent calendar. So you just print it, cut it, put it in a bowl, let your kids choose something for the day, or you pick something for the day to do. Pick and choose what you want to do, what you don't want to do, just fun stuff. Valentine, wear pajamas, make Valentine cookies. There's even blank cards in here to create for your own. The scavenger hunt. If there's something like super special, like a gift that you have for your big honey, your little honey, whoever it is, you print this out, cut the little slips, and have them like go look for it within the house, and it's just fun. And most of them are poems and they rhyme, but it goes all the way down to the last clue. Just so fun there. Candy crushing is just like kind of like a word Scrabble for candy. Valentine candy. Valentine trivia is a fun one. For the love of candy, that's like a little dice game that's fun to play with anybody of any age. Same with the full candy heart. And of course, you have you have all of directions are included, everything that you need and your clients need. It's all done for you, all there. There's some coloring pages, tic-tac-toe, maze for the little ones. And of course, the most important is your branding. So everything is done for you. You can promote it with your Facebook banner with these templates, social posts, send a text. I'm giving you the branding guide there as well as the pop-by tag. So if there is enough time and you still want to do pop-bys, the idea would be go get a pack of candy, right? And then tie the pop-by tag on there that has the QR code, and all your client has to do is scan, and then they get the guide, and then they print it and they go do whatever they want to, or you can drop it in an email, however you want to do that. But it's all done for you right there. I hope you love it. Seems to be every folks that have purchased it seem to really love it. I think it's a lot of fun. So it's just unique. And again, another way for us to stand out, to be the rock star agents that we are. And listen, if you're not, all my content's related to realtors, right? Because I'm a real estate agent. I kind of know what I like and what works in my business. So I share that. But I have a lot of people from my Etsy shop that actually they are not in real estate, and that's okay. I mean, if you are a lender or a closing attorney, anything like that, that works. But I've even had like plumbers and lawn care companies and things like that that'll use some of my marketing stuff, and definitely, I mean, it's brandable. But these are just some fun ways. I hope to my whole goal was to try to give you some motivation and some inspiration without breaking the bank on these pop buys because there's some really cool ideas out there. But I hope that what I shared with you today you enjoyed. And so that is it for me. If you have not subscribed, please do me the solid favor and subscribe because I have got some great ones coming for you this year. I'm telling you, I've been doing a lot of planning. I've got some fun stuff planned. And so I'm excited to share it all with you. And so, yeah, until the next one, I thank you so, so much. I love you so, so much. And let's get out there. Let's get it. I'll see you soon.